This is a new feature which allows you to edit the table planner directly from the POS by an authorised till user. Firstly, I'll do a quick recap on the general table planner solution. As you can see from the screen, we've got a pre-configured table plan. This was created in the back office Lolly HQ and can be easily edited when required. We have a plan for outdoors and for indoors. You can see we have a bar area and we can have as many plans as we wish to have. On each table you can see the table number, and the white dots indicate the number of covers or the number of people that can sit at that table. At the bottom of our screen we've got optional configurable statuses. These can be applied to tables manually, for example mains away. At the touch of the button will inform the kitchen team, or the statuses can be automated, for example seated or bill printed when the actual bill is requested. By default they are green. As you can see, these are all available tables. It is also possible to merge tables together. So for example, we can select table number 17 and we can merge that with table number 16, making that one unique table. We can easily unmerge the tables at the click of a button. This is really useful if you've got two separate tables or a large party and you need to merge them together. Let's run through a quick example. I'm going to select table number 20 from the plan, number of covers 2, and store that away. When we reopen our table plan, we can see that table number 20 has automatically gone to a seated status and it's now shown as a yellow colour. Let's reopen the table, sell some items and restore. And we can now see the balance is changed to £23.45. The zeros in the middle is the number of hours and minutes the people have been sitting there without anyone interacting with that table, and that will reset at each status change. We can now manually change the status, for example to mains away. As you can see, it's now turned blue. The kitchen team would receive the mains away instructions and could make the items accordingly. If we were to print the bill would be printed, and now the table plan will update that to bill printed and shown in a red colour. So you can very easily see at any point of time exactly what's going on within the restaurant. So now let's move on to our actual feature, which is the table planner editor. You'll see there's a little pencil icon in the bottom right hand corner. This will only show to POS users who are authorised to do this function. When you click on that icon, it will actually load the editor onto Lolly POS itself. And from this screen you can add, delete or modify tables based on the plan for that day. So I can click on table number 1, I can move that over here. We can edit table number 2 for example, and we can add 2 more seats to it, and so on and so on. You can even add walls, change the structures of your tables for any of your outdoor, indoor or any other plans that you've got set up. When you're finished, you can click on save and the X in the top right hand corner. And you'll now see the changes that I've just made are now live on my till system. You can trade for that day, and when you're at the end of your shift you can click on the restore button and it will pull down the defaults back from Lolly HQ that were set in the first place.